Hello, I'm Zach DiaPaul, and welcome to ZIZO by the Numbers, where we showcase the transformative power gamification has on productivity and performance. Let's dive into the data and see the real impact ZIZO has made. We have created a metric called the ZIZO Effect to give one view into how ZIZO specifically improves your day-to-day performance. This compares a department's performance while in a ZIZO contest versus when they are not, on a per-hour basis. Starting with our NRS department, ZIZO contests have led to an astonishing 7% boost in both dialed calls and completed calls. Over in PFC, the numbers speak volumes. A 38% boost in promise money, a 32% increase in promise payments, and a significant 20% uplift in cleared payments. But that's not all. Cleared money saw a 9% rise as well. With ZIZO, hitting financial targets just got easier. And for the agents who embraced ZIZO wholeheartedly, the results were even more remarkable. Engaged agents experienced unparalleled boosts in their performance metrics, proving that ZIZO isn't just about the numbers, it's about people, motivation, and achieving what seemed out of reach. These statistics are more than just impressive. They're a testament to how ZIZO leverages the psychology of gamification to drive real, measurable improvements. By making productivity engagement, ZIZO transforms the workplace into a space where performance soars. This is just a glimpse of what ZIZO can do. Whether it's boosting call numbers, financial targets, or agent engagement, ZIZO turns goals into achievements. Ready to see your numbers skyrocket? Discover the ZIZO effect for your business at playzizo.com.